Hey guys, it's me again. We're back. I'm in my new studio. It's not decorated, so let me know if you guys want to come shopping with me because a girl's got to hit up her home sense. Alright, let me know if you guys want to come with me and I'll film that vlog style. We'll go shopping and decorate together. Alright guys, today we are doing Tatcha. Yes, Tatcha just launched brand new setting powder. This is it right here. I've got it on right now. Let's talk about it. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, cute little components. I'm assuming this comes off. Okay. Well, that is interesting. I'm gonna put this back on and shake it, see what happens. How much powder came out. Okay, yeah, that's how it works. This is supposed to be translucent. There is obviously a color to it, and I'm worried it might be a little bit too yellow, too dark for my skin tone. So we're gonna, figure this out together. All right, so I've got my moisturizer on and my primer, and I'm just gonna go in now and I'm going to do my base makeup. I'm going to do my foundation. I'm gonna conceal, and we'll be right back and we will powder our faces and test out this amazing product together. Alright guys, so I'm actually just going to go in with like a very clean, fluffy powder brush, and this is a number 1 from BH Cosmetics. Normally, I like to set my face with a powder puff, so I'm going to do actually half my face with a brush and half my face with the powder puff. So I'll start with the brush. I'm just going to pick up some of that powder. Okay, we've got quite a bit of powder. I'm just going to dust that off. Tap that off on my lid. It's a very finely milled powder. Holy smokes, I'm impressed. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Tatcha, you go girl. Okay, I'm just gonna do half my face with the brush. That is fine. Wow. You guys have seen I haven't gone in with any more product. Alright guys, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush right here to go under my eyes and just put a little bit of that powder, beautiful powder, under my eyes. So we're just tapping in to that powder, tapping it off, and I'm just going to set right under my eyes. We don't want any creasing, and I'm just going to set over my eyes. Go into that eye socket under the brow bone. Get right into the inner corner. No creasing. Okay, so that is half the face with this amazing powder. Like, that is a flawless finish. Like, I actually thought the color might be a little too, warm, too yellow, but this is actually a really beautiful color. So your girl's happy about that. I'm gonna go in with my powder puff, and if you guys love the finish with this, I've linked it down below for you guys so you guys have that. I love these. They're from Amazon. Super love it. I'm just going to tap into this beautiful, finely milled powder. And I thought the Patrick Star powder was finely milled. This is like a whole other level. Like, this is beautiful. And there's no scent. Because you guys know how I feel about my scents. Just tapping a little bit into that powder, tapping my face. I'm going to go, I always bend my puff. Go right in under the eye. We don't want any creasing. I go over the eye, under the brow, get all that. Then I'm gonna go in and do my forehead. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys the tea, but I'm gonna first go in, bronze my face, do my brows, do the whole thing, and I will be right back. Okay guys, your girl is back. She went in, she's having fun here playing in the studio with all of my makeup that I haven't seen in a while, because sometimes you get something and it's like super cute, and then you'll use it a couple of times and you'll put it away because something else comes out, and now I'm looking at all my makeup. So I dug out an old palette that I haven't used in a while, and that's the Corderosa palette by Sigma. So a girl actually went in and did, like, this cute little vibe, but she's needing accessories, so I'm gonna go unpack as soon as this video is over. All right, guys, let's talk about this Tatcha. Like, this is stunning. It's amazing. Let's score it. All right, guys, let's start with blurring. All right, let's zoom right in. I put on this powder. I did the rest of my makeup. I have no setting spray on. This is the way it looks while it's just sitting on my face naturally. I think for blurring, this is like a 9 out of 10. Like, this is super, super amazing, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. All right, guys, let's talk about texture. Okay, so this is such a finely milled product. I am just, like, a girl is shook. Like, this is amazing. Like, just, I haven't seen anything this finely milled on the market in a while. So I understand the price point for that reason, and I would like to know how many times it actually went through the mill to get to that amazing. It's like dust. It's beautiful. Like, it's stunning. So right here where I've got natural, just a little bit of texture, it's not emphasizing that for me. So I actually really love this because it just looks very blurred. It doesn't give me that extra texture. It doesn't look like I have powder on my face. It actually, considering I have no setting spray on my face, it just looks like it's sitting on there naturally with my makeup. I thought it would be a very warmed, toned product, but it's not. It's actually looking really, really natural. I mean, I've got bronzer on, I've got some contour on, and, you know, no accessories obviously, but I am missing my accessories. But like, it's actually matching me really, really nice, so I do enjoy that quite a bit. So I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10. Let's talk value. So Patrick Star, you get 35 grams, and this is coming in at $40 Canadian. My Laura Mercier that I absolutely love, this one is also 29 grams, and this one is coming in at $51. And then this one that I'm absolutely in love with, this is the new Tatcha. This one, I'm actually shook because this is actually only 20 grams and this is $61. So you get very little in here, even though the packaging is basically the same as all the others. But you get very little product inside of this for $61. Therefore, your girl is actually kind of pissed because this is so damn good. Like, it is so good. Like, she's looking flawless. I love that. This is amazing. This is gonna be like a new ride or die for me, but the price, like, come on, guys. $63? Really? Okay. Kind of a little pissed, but I love it. So I'm gonna actually give this one for value 7 out of 10, giving us a final score of 25 out of 30. Alright guys, if you love videos just like this one, remember to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. It helps a girl out. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Don't forget, let me know if you want me to take you shopping with me. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye!